Hello darlings, welcome to Fast Fit. Today's video's topic is 3 drinks that will burn fat for you. So for more, subscribe to Chanell and comment down what type of content you would see at Chanell. So let's get started. 1. Coffee. Coffee is utilized by individuals all throughout the planet to support energy levels and lift mindset. This is on the grounds that espresso contains caffeine, a substance that goes about as an energizer in the body and may profit weight reduction. Coffee can diminish energy admission and lift digestion, which might assist you with getting thinner. One investigation in 33 overweight grown-ups tracked down that the individuals who drank espresso containing 6 milligrams of caffeine for each kilogram of body weight devoured essentially less by and large calories than the individuals who drank less caffeine or no caffeine by any means. Caffeine consumption has likewise been displayed to build digestion and advance fat consuming in a few different investigations. Espresso consumers might make some simpler memories keeping up with their weight reduction over the long run, too. An investigation in more than 2,600 individuals tracked down that the individuals who were effective in keeping up with weight reduction over the long run drank fundamentally more stimulated refreshments than a benchmark group. 2. Apple cider vinegar drinks. Apple juice vinegar contains acidic corrosive, a compound that might animate weight reduction by diminishing insulin levels, further developing digestion, stifling craving and consuming fat. Creature examines have shown that acidic corrosive can forestall weight gain and decline fat aggregation in the tummy and liver. Despite the fact that exploration is restrictive, there is some proof that vinegar is powerful in advancing weight reduction in people. An investigation in 144 fat grown-ups showed that drinking an everyday refreshment containing 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of vinegar each day brought about huge decreases in body weight, abdomen, circuit and stomach fat, contrasted with a fake treatment bunch. Apple juice vinegar eases back stomach purging, which helps save you more full for a more extended time frame and may decrease indulging. Nonetheless, it ought to be noticed that drinking acidic refreshments like apple juice vinegar can disintegrate teeth, which is the reason it ought to be devoured sparingly and consistently, followed by washing with water. 3. High-protein drinks. Beverages that are high in protein can curb hunger, decrease appetite, and promote fullness, which is important when trying to shed excess pounds. There are countless protein powders available to consumers that make preparing a quick, healthy snack or meal a breeze. Protein increases levels of hunger-reducing hormones like GLP-1 while decreasing ghrelin, a hormone that drives appetite. A study in 90 overweight adults found that those who consumed 56 grams of whey protein daily for 23 weeks lost 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms, more fat than a control group who consumed no whey protein but the same number of calories. Whey, pea and hemp protein powders are just a few varieties that can add a satisfying protein boost to shakes and smoothies that may help you drop pounds. So that's it people, now you know 3 beverages that burns fat. So for more, subscribe to Chanell and comment down below what type content you would see at Chanell. For now, have a fit day.